Have you ever faced adversity in your life? Of course you have. We all do. It's part of being human. But what if there was a way to overcome adversity with grace and resilience? What if there was a way to turn setbacks into opportunities for growth and development? That's what Stoicism is all about. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that teaches us how to live a virtuous and fulfilling life, regardless of our circumstances. It's a philosophy that has helped countless people overcome adversity, from emperors to slaves. So how can you use the 7 Stoic principles to overcome adversity? 1. Dichotomy of control. The first Stoic principle is the dichotomy of control. This means that we should focus on the things that we can control and let go of the things that we can't. When we face adversity, it's important to remember that we can't control the situation itself, but we can control our reaction to it. 2. Virtue is the only good. The second Stoic principle is that virtue is the only good. This means that the only thing that is truly valuable in life is living a virtuous life. When we face adversity, we can use it as an opportunity to practice virtues such as courage, patience, and perseverance. 3. External events are indifferent. The third Stoic principle is that external events are indifferent. This means that no external event can truly harm us or make us unhappy. It's our own perception of events that causes us suffering. 4. Live in the present moment. The fourth Stoic principle is to live in the present moment. This means that we should focus on the present moment and let go of the past and the future. When we face adversity, it's important to remember that the only moment that we can truly experience is the present moment. 5. Accept what cannot be changed. The fifth Stoic principle is to accept what cannot be changed. This means that we should accept the things that we can't control and focus on the things that we can. When we face adversity, it's important to accept the situation for what it is and focus on what we can do to make it better. 6. Act in accordance with nature. The sixth Stoic principle is to act in accordance with nature. This means that we should live in harmony with the natural world and our own human nature. When we face adversity, we should act in a way that is consistent with our values and beliefs. 7. Be grateful for what you have. The seventh and final Stoic principle is to be grateful for what you have. This means that we should focus on the positive aspects of our lives, even when we are facing adversity. When we are grateful for what we have, it's easier to cope with the challenges that we face. Here is an example story. Imagine a young man named Marcus. Marcus was a talented athlete and a brilliant scholar. He had everything going for him. But then, one day, he was involved in a terrible accident that left him paralyzed from the waist down. Marcus was devastated. He couldn't believe that his life had been turned upside down so suddenly. He felt like he had nothing left to live for. But then, Marcus remembered the teachings of Stoicism. He realized that he couldn't control what had happened to him, but he could control his reaction to it. Marcus decided to focus on the things that he could control. He started to exercise again, even though he was in a wheelchair. He also started to learn new skills, such as writing and coding. Marcus also focused on living in the present moment. He realized that the only moment that he could truly experience was the present moment. So he decided to make the most of it. Marcus's story is an inspiration to us all. It shows us that it is possible to overcome adversity, even when it seems insurmountable. How can you use the 7 Stoic principles to overcome adversity? Focus on the things that you can control and let go of the things that you can't. Practice virtues such as courage, patience, and perseverance. Remember that external events are indifferent and that your perception of events is what causes you suffering. Live in the present moment and let go of the past and the future. Accept what cannot be changed and focus on what you can do to make it better. Act in accordance with your values and beliefs. Be grateful for what you have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.